Hi guys, my name's Jesse, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Nerf Zombie Strike Flipfury. This blaster features two barrels, two 6-dart barrels, 9 darts in the front, and the back says how to use this blaster and how it's all cool, and then it says some self-defense stuff right there. So yeah, that's all for the box. Let's get into it. Okay, so has your instruction manual right here. Shows a diagram of the blaster, shows how to use it. So yeah, we don't need that. And then here's the blaster. Just cut one more piece of twine, and the blaster is, oh nope, there's still one more piece of twine right here. There we go. Now the blaster's out. Flipping mechanism. That's actually pretty hard. So yeah, works perfectly. Now to get out the darts. Okay, so the darts are out. The box is empty, as you can see. And so we don't need the box anymore. Instruction manual just came. Okay, so here's the darts, nice and crusty darts. So I'm just gonna go ahead and load this blaster. But this blaster, I'm a little disappointed because it doesn't have that thing, that button where it can pop out, the barrel can pop out so you can put the darts in. But it's basically same thing. All you have to do is press the flipping button right here. Right here, this is a flipping button. There's two triggers, the flipping button and then the trigger. So flip, trigger, flip, trigger. It's kind of hard to pull. So yeah, all you have to do is press the flipping trigger. It flips. And then you can just stick your darts in. Takes quite a while. Put the darts in. Oops. Or you can just turn it like this and then put the darts in. Okay, there we go. All the darts are in. And then, so it has 1, 2, and 3 sling points. No, 4 sling points right here. And then it has this thing that's going down on the bottom to, I guess, secure the blaster. But it almost looks like it can come off, but it can't. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna demonstrate how it works and all that. Oh, the flipping thing, it's kind of hard to pull the trigger on it. So you might want to have like 2 fingers, your middle finger and your ring finger on the flipping mechanism, and then you might want to have your index finger, pointer finger on the trigger. So all you have to do is pull back and then just shoot. Wow, that's hard. And then just keep doing that. Pull back, shoot, pull back, shoot, pull back, shoot. And then you can just flip it whenever you want. Pull back, shoot, pull back, shoot, pull back, shoot. And then, yeah. Whoa. Oh, okay, so I just learned something right now, that when you flip it, you might want to like switch off flipping it so it's like equal, because the darts sort of like weigh the barrel down, which makes it sort of like flimsy like that. So you might want to like shoot from one barrel and then switch, shoot from one barrel, switch, shoot from one barrel, switch. So yeah, that's pretty much it. There's one tactical rail on the top. Yeah, that's probably about it. There's some zombie tape right here. Zombie Strike logo. It says Flipfury right here, Nerf right here. On this side is the boring side. It says all the safety and caution stuff. And then on the other side it has Zombie Strike. Flipfury in black, which is on the other side. It's sort of engraved in there. And then Nerf in black. On the other side, Nerf is in orange. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.